Yeah, nice. Ah. Hello, this is John K and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today is the unveiling and the unboxing of my new DJI RS2 gimbal that I got last week. And I'll be telling you the essence of this one here in the filmmaking and why I got it for myself and how it's gonna help me in the near future. Also, I'll be telling you why I started my YouTube channel and why I came up with the title Adventure Along With Me, and why I call myself the greatest adventurer of all time, yet I have not traveled 1% of the world. Yeah, so without wasting time, let's go and unbox the DJI, the new DJI RS2. It's the latest version. This is a futuristic robot. In the filmmaking, it's a smart gimbal. And because I'm an amateur in this, so I'll be using the YouTube tutorial here to follow up, because I've not used this gimbal or DSLR gimbal ever in my life. I've only used the mobile version of the DJI. And let's go through this unboxing. So guys, this is the DJI RSC2 and I got it from the best camera shop and accessories here in Kuwait, the AB World here. Thanks to them and thanks to the DJI for creating such an amazing item to help creators same like me to bring good videos to the viewer. And yeah, this is how it looks. I'll be showing you. It comes with this manual guides here. I'll be using also because it's my first time. My goodness, you can't believe what this thing looks like. It's like I bought a machine gun or stuff. Oh my goodness. Yeah, I'm scared of. So before we continue, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell button instead of ruining it. Oh yeah, and here it is. I don't know where to start. It's just amazing. Wow. So I'll be following the YouTube guide here, and yeah, I'll take you step by step, and I hope it just goes well. There are many items here. There is a cable here, there is a tripod stand here, and tea bag or something, I don't know. But when I buy my clothes also, I found stuff like same like this. I don't know for what. Another cable, I don't know for what here. Oh my goodness, looks like a measuring tool or stuff, but I don't think so. So this is the DJI RS2, and it has items that I don't know, and I won't be using this one to film with my new Canon. And yeah, let's do it. Okay, let's unbox it. So the YouTube here is telling me to.
So the model we have here is.
Yep, I'm doing just what I'm seeing here on YouTube. So okay, so there is the lock here, and I'm supposed to unlock it. This one here, I'm supposed to unlock it so that I can unfold the gimbal and unlock. And so, oh my god, I'm scared I'm gonna break it. Oh yeah, and it's supposed to lock in place just like that. So first step is done. Another step here. Okay, I'm supposed to tie or what, I don't know what to say, but to connect the tripod to the handle. So that part is done. Second part, okay, unfold it. Okay. Oh my goodness. Unbox. So I'm supposed to lock it up again. Lock it up. So there are little locks in each and every section here, and I'm supposed to unlock it, and I'll start with the first one, and the gimbal is rotating already. It's rotating already. It's rotating. Okay, so that's the first step done. So on the second one, there's another lock here, and it's rotating. It's free now. And the last one has to go there. So I understand the gimbal is supposed to look stuff. My goodness. Okay. So hold the gimbal, lock it inside, lock in that position, lock one leg up, and the gimbal should look like this. And here's where I'm supposed to put my camera and supposed to balance it. I know you have seen this stuff in some wedding or stuff, some filming, in events. People use them and to create the cinematic look of a video. Yeah. Okay, so guys, before we continue, it's like going to school back again, and to learn this thing, and what the YouTube here is telling me is just so complicated. I don't know where to start. So I'll explain to you why I started my YouTube channel, and why I created the series Adventure Along With Me, and why I call myself the greatest adventure of all time. And I'll start, why do I call myself the greatest adventure of all time, and yet I've not traveled so much in the world? This is because here it's just a training ground. The real thing have not started yet, and I realized I was born a creator. I was born with the creative mind to create, and to create good content, to connect you with the nature, to connect you with the world, the beauty and the cultures that we live in, different people, and to travel together, to explore each and every part of the world, and to answer questions that I have for myself, because I realized I'm a curious person and I have many questions that I have no answer to myself, and I have an opportunity through creating video and bringing you adventure. So in the Adventure Along With Me, you will be seeing documentaries, you will be seeing fun, I'll be taking you to fun places, and the good stuff I do, you will be experiencing together in the Adventure Along With Me. And that's it. And this is the DJI RSC2, and this is the maximum point I can reach. I have to watch many tutorials, and I'll go back to the AB World shop, camera shop, and tell them to teach me how to set up this one. And actually that's what I'll do. I'll pack up everything now, I'll take my DSLR camera, and I'll go to the AB World, and I will ask them to teach me how to set up this, because it's so complicated and many settings that I need to know, oh my god, before I start shooting with this stuff here. And I'm so excited and I thank God for I can afford stuff like this. Many to come, because it's just the beginning. I'm telling you guys, many stuff to come. I'm full of surprises, and John K don't quit for nothing. And I'm not stopping until I reach my goals, and until I make sure that we travel together and that we experience the spirit of adventure. So this is it. I'll be going to the AB world, and let's see how this thing is being set up. So I will fold it back the way it was, because the YouTube is not helping that much, and yeah, I need someone to direct me step by step. And I'm telling you, as anyone buys new stuff, it feels delicate. I don't want to touch any place that I don't know. I don't want to ruin it. It's just new. And yeah, that's it. This is John K, and let's meet on the other side. Yeah, now guys, we are in the AB World camera shop, and continuing with the unboxing. I came for assist because I don't know how to set the thing. It's complicated for me at first, but I know I will learn it, and Brian will be helping out to set the thing up. And I also came with my camera so that I can show you how it works. Yeah, so Brian,
Where's your camera? Where's
my cam here.
and the lens?
I think 50. This one first.
No problem.
Yeah.
Hello.
Back again in the AB one. Nice.
Palit na niya yan eh.
Ah, okay. Ano sa man? Nakabalubalan?
Yeah, here. First start, this is lock. You have to unlock and make the balance first from this side.
Okay.
Be sure to remove all the accessories and check the which millimeter you will use, maybe 35.
So guys, the gimbal is set for the balancing. Up to this point, it's just amazing. I can hold it. Still not activated yet. Now we are downloading the app, and I'm not getting out of this place until I get it full activated. Very excited here with the team in the AB world. Amazing, and they helped me set my gimbal, my DJI RSC too. Yeah, great team here. Amazing.
Kenya boys.
Yeah, Kenya. I wait for the greatest videographer of all time. He's coming for you guys. Just check. Until the other day. Nice one. Wow.
Enjoy.
So guys, that's it. I just bought the DJI, and I remember last time I did not show you what this shop has. It has everything that you can get here. It's just amazing. Here in AB World, John K.